So now that we're off of soaring, what is your honest opinion of soaring? Because I don't mind it. I mean, I miss California, soaring over California, but what do you want? Ashley doesn't know. She doesn't really like either because she doesn't like heights. But she also doesn't know what she would put there to replace it. So she just wants a big hole.
No, what's there's I lost my train of thought.
When she thinks of it, maybe we'll get back on and share with you guys. But anyways, we're gonna go draw. And I probably won't film because if you watched the last time, it didn't come out so well. I mean, it really didn't come out very well. So we're gonna go draw, but maybe, if you're lucky, we'll see Turtle Talk again.
For attention, please.
So you guys ready to see my crazy creation that looks nothing like Winnie the Pooh? Here's mine.
We both have horns.
And here's Ashley's. You know, looking at it through camera, I thought mine maybe did a little bit better, but no. Yeah, we both have horns. She didn't tell us we were doing profiles till after we already drew our little horns, but oh, we're losing it. But not too bad. Not our best work, not, you know, but...
Yeah, I don't like doing side views. I was never good at it, so...
Never go to side profiles?
No.
But yeah, otherwise, not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go see if we can ride Monsters, Inc. because it seems like every time we go to ride it, it's either really long or it's shut down. And it's not looking good. So I was right. We failed. It's a 20-minute wait, but it's out the door and there's just no shot that that's 20 minutes. And that ride, it's eh. So we're gonna go hunting, do a little shopping, go check out Pixar Pier again, and hopefully these clouds kind of stay away from us for a little while. It's supposed to be the last part of the rain and then it clears up, so let's hope and we'll see. So guys, let's catch up a little bit. It is absolutely pouring outside right now, so we are stuck inside, but I just checked the weather and it's about 3:15 right now, 3:30, and in about a half hour to 45 minutes, it should just be showers so we can finally get over to Disneyland. And by 5 o'clock, at least last I checked, 5 o'clock the weather's supposed to be out of here. It's supposed to be clear skies after that. So we should be good to go, hopefully. But here's a quick little tip. When it's raining, come to the Grizzly Peak little gift shop. I don't know the name of it, but it's the gift shop right after you exit Grizzly Peak River Run. It's very quiet. Come to the back left corner. Back left corner. It's right here with the staircase. Come back here. There's a little bench. Ashley's sitting. There's a little bench. It's really quiet. It's really, really quiet. It's nice. Hopefully I don't step on this little hanger. Let's see. I can even come back here and kind of hide and get away from everybody. So definitely come back here when it's raining. It works perfectly. So we're gonna chill, try to stay dry. Then we're gonna head over to Disneyland, maybe check out some Mary Poppins Return stuff, and then we have a couple fast passes to hit. We were just walking through the store and questions. Epcot? Oh, I think I found the giant golf ball. Oh, the rain has stopped. We can finally explore Disneyland. We got to sit and relax. We watched Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. That was always fun and educational. There's some kind of interesting fact that I need to re-look up that I would love to share with you guys, but I can't for the life of me remember what it is. So we were off to dinner, and then we're gonna do a whole bunch of riding because I feel like we haven't ridden anything, and I like balloons. So we're off to Zocalo, Rancho Del Zocalo.
Yeah, you gotta tell them though.
I gotta tell them what?
Got my jacket.
So she finally found a jacket so she can stop complaining about being cold and we can stop shopping and spend more time riding things because we have a lot to ride, I have a lot to film, and a lot to share with you guys. So we're gonna eat, and I'm interested to see if they have anything new that I can try over at Rancho Del Zocalo. So really quickly, Ashley got the Hacienda Caesar chicken salad, correct? I got the chicken enchilada, the red chili enchiladas with steak, where it comes with a little tortilla so I can make a little burrito. And we also got a frozen horchata, which sounds really interesting. Strawberry, frozen strawberry horchata. Dinner was amazing. I'm sorry we didn't show more of us eating it because we were quite hungry and our table was really lopsided, so I couldn't get the tripod to sit properly on the drive. But that, however, the frozen strawberry horchata is amazing. It's basically like strawberry Nesquik with cinnamon in it. I mean, it's really, really good. It had a dried strawberry on top, which was awesome. Of course, she didn't. I did. Oh, by the way, her chicken is amazing. I should know. I ate it. She doesn't eat her chicken. So, we're going to try Thunder if the line isn't too long. If not, we're in Fantasyland because I need some dark rice now. So before we run into Snow White here really quick, we just did something I've never done, and that was we visited Fantasy Fair and met some princesses. So I'm going to insert some of those pictures now. So now we're headed into Snow White in the Seven Dwarfs. I'm hoping this camera picks it up because I've been dying all day for this.
I'll bring a poisoned apple for Snow White. Delicious apples. Have a juicy apple.
think that was a lot of fun trying to at least attempt to record those for you guys. I know at some points it really struggles, but I still need to learn the camera some more. This is kind of the trial run, so hopefully when we come back in a month and a half, everything kind of seems hopefully a little better. So I think we're headed off to Dumbo because she's like running, because guys, there's like no lines anywhere right now. The park is pretty empty, even though the rain stopped a good hour and a half ago. Whee! Oh yeah! Oh! Dumbo, will you take me higher, please? Thank you. That's like the most empty I've ever seen Red Rose Tavern or Village House, back when it was Village House. I've never seen that restaurant so empty. But anyways, we're off to Big Thunder. I hope you guys enjoyed Dumbo. I hope it came out okay. I was kind of filming blind, so I hope it came out well. So we're headed over to Big Thunder, and I'm excited. We haven't been on this yet. I'm hoping the seats are dry. We've given it some time to dry off, and yeah, I'm super excited. So I'll see you in the Old West.